Dreaming Up by Christy Hale. If they can dream it, they can build it. Madhu Tangavelu. Cup on cup stacking up, smaller, smaller, and growing taller. Earth and water, sun and air, all around everywhere. Cold and wet, hot and dry, mixed together make mud pie. Open the top and in I hop. Poke out a square to see who's there. Pull in the flap and hide from view. Can you see me? I see you. Blankets flung, stretch chair to chair, soft roof arcs low, a cozy place, a hideaway, where you and I can go. Touch wood, fingers learn each form, hang shapes on air, explore new directions, every block anchored with care. Fluid with water, towers twist high, sparkle with sea glass, treasures and shells, sand castle. One by one, block by block, plastic shapes interlock. Yellow, red, white, and black all connect in a stack. Build a world brick by brick. Hold them close, hear them click. Paper-thin cards slice through space. Lean, brace, hold still this moment of balance. Easy peasy as can be. Toothpicks joining, 1, 2, 3. Sticks touch like fingertips. Reach high where wishes roam. Cupped between is magic space in a forest fairy home. Balls of snow, bags of land, bend down low, fill your hand. Pack them, stack them, circle round. Dome is, home is, built on ground. Paper tubes, stuff reused, anything does the trick. Tape or glue for strength and you have raised a building quick. Flat wooden sticks with glue, gaps between where the sun peeks through. Solid then open, dark then bright, shifting patterns, flickering light. Slats and slits standing side by side, add together, build round and wide. An open floor, inviting space. Welcome door to popsicle place. And together build round and wide. Slats and slits standing side by side. Shifting patterns, flickering light. Solid then open, dark then bright. Gaps in between where the sun peeks through. Flat wooden sticks stuck with glue. Soft tumble forms making ever-changing cavern secret spaces, pillow forts. The end.